Perfect for emails, notes, and remote work. Turn your phone or tablet into a real productivity machine. Sleek, modern design makes it a smart upgrade for professionals, students, and travelers alike. Ultra-compact foldable design. Carry a full keyboard wherever you go without bulky gear weighing you down. Seamless Bluetooth connectivity. Pairs instantly with your phone, tablet, or laptop for fast, reliable typing on the go. Quiet, ergonomic keys with smooth tactile feedback for comfortable typing sessions anytime, anywhere. Lightweight but durable build. Premium materials and robust hinges make it perfect for travel, work, and daily use. Long battery life keeps you productive all day without constant recharging, ideal for busy lifestyles.